Hey, business and sales executive, let me ask you something real quick. How many leads have you lost just because no one followed up fast enough? How many calls went unanswered just because your team was overwhelmed, overworked, or just maybe they are being human? I know that you've got a lot of answers for these questions. Well, I'm glad you clicked on this video to watch, because today I want to show you something very, very important. It's exciting, but it's absolutely essential for your business. Okay, AI and voice agents are not just buzzwords anymore, right? They are completely transforming the way businesses communicate, sell, serve, and of course, how businesses scale today. Gone are the days of missed calls, leads falling through the cracks, human errors, hiring more staff just to survive or boost sales. Now you can have AI agents that never sleeps, right? Never get tired, never forget to follow up, and of course, they cost a few fractions of hiring a staff. That's the world we are living in today. And AI to Market is an innovative company that has developed a system that can help you scale your business. Let me introduce you to a game-changing innovation of AI to Market. This platform combines two of the most powerful tools in the modern business. The first one is voice agents, which is powered with AI assistant that takes calls, qualify leads, and of course answer questions and book appointments instantly. The second thing is a full stack CRM built into the system, so your voice agents aren't just talking, they are also tracking, they are updating, they are tagging, they are moving leads through your funnel on autopilot. So that means AI to Market agent automates your sales funnel and track customers and of course leads at every stage. Respond to your leads instantly via voice calls, emails, and of course SMS. And it helps you to build appointments autonomously. And it also helps to connect leads to real salesperson, to a human salesperson. And above all, it works 24/7. It never goes to sleep, even when your team is asleep. So you literally hands off and watch the agent help you scale your business. That's amazing, right? Imagine having your best sales rep, your customer service expert, and of course your virtual assistant all in one agent. That's absolutely remarkable. And well, guess what? It is available 24/7, working across every time zone. Think about it. The edge that AI to Market provides, it's absolutely amazing. Whether you run a coaching business, an e-commerce store, a real estate agent, or a law firm, AI to Market works for you. And here is the kicker. It is not just powerful, it is personal. In other words, it is built specifically for your type of business, product, or services. You can choose your AI agent's voice, the tone, style, and of course, customize the script so it doesn't sound robotic or generic. It's going to sound exactly like someone that represents your brand, having a real conversation with your clients or leads. And trust me, when people feel they are being heard even by AI, they engage more, they buy more, and of course they always come back. Alright, let's visit AI to Market website together and check out their innovations. So here we are on the landing page of AI to Market. Now you can simply type in http ai2market.com/voice agents. So I'm going to land you here. So let's quickly go through it, go through the site. You can see here everything they have to offer. Okay, so take a look at this. Visualize your business with AI agents, 24/7 support, increase conversions, and of course instant responses. AI voice agents that answer, qualify, and convert calls instantly, right? Just like I said, AI sales agents, and this is the super agent called Max. So let's just quickly listen to what Max has to say.
Hey there, I'm Max, your AI sales agent from AI to Market. I don't just talk, I close deals. In just months, I've generated over $3 million in sales, handling outreach, follow-ups, and conversions with precision. No misleads, no wasted time, just smart, data-driven selling that keeps your pipeline full and your revenue growing. Let's talk about how I can do the same for your business. Ready to scale? Click below to get started.
That's powerful from Max, right? And Max is not just talking, it does what he talks about, right? Let's go ahead and see the other ones. You can see they are in partnership. You can see Crisp here, Kids, in partnership with Crisp, JobFlow, Smart Heart, 10 web. You can see a bunch of them right here, right? So I know it is something worthwhile for you. Okay, just take a look at this, the problem. The business are losing sales every day. Every call that goes unanswered, every lead that doesn't get a follower, and every customer left waiting costs you business money, right? You can't just be waiting when a customer or a client tries to reach out to you and they couldn't get through. You should be able to follow them up immediately. And when you have human agents, it might take a while before that follow-up is done. But if you have an agent like AI to market agent, it does the call, it does the follow-up immediately. So no missed call. You can see this 90% of customers hang up if you don't get a response within 30 seconds. That's very true. So missed call, another challenge. Missed revenue, missed call equals missed revenue, and that's very true. If you don't answer, your competitors will. That's what I said earlier, that competitors are already taking advantage of AI to market. So it's something wise to quickly get started with it. So you can see manual follow-ups. Gone are the days of manual follow-up. You don't do that anymore. So it is inconsistent and sometimes very expensive. It depends on how you look at it, right? It is more expensive because you're going to lose money from it, right? So it's going to cost you more, right? Customers today expect instant responses. Yeah, they don't wait for a callback. They won't listen to hold music, right? They won't tolerate delays. But here is the good news. Now you don't have to. With AI voice agent, your business can respond instantly, engage effortlessly, and convert leads on autopilot 24/7. That's the beautiful part of it. Innovation at every stage, at every interaction of voice across a spectrum of use cases, right? Customer support 80%, AI appointment scheduling 85%, AI lead qualification 90%, AI follow-up 94%, AI customers insight 87%. AI call handy 99%. That's 100%, right? Amazing. Let's scroll down. So these are the various AI agents that you have available here. So meet AI voice agent, and this is Ali. Ali is a customer support agent, and she helps to handle FAQ, troubleshoot issues, and of course provide instant assistance 24/7. It gives customers the information they need exactly when they need it, right? And she helps to reduce human workload, cut costs, and of course deliver a world-class experience. So let's hear what Ali has to say.
Hi there, I'm Allie, your AI-powered customer support agent from AI2 Market. I'm here 24/7 to assist, solve problems, and keep your customers happy. From answering inquiries to handling requests in seconds, I make support seamless. No wait times, no frustration, just fast, reliable service. Happy customers mean loyal customers, and I'm here to make sure they always get the help they need. Need smarter support? Let's chat.
Absolutely amazing. Okay, let's go on. Here is another AI agent, and this is John. I love John, right? John is an AI appointment setter. Hey, I am John. So you can see here, let's listen to John.
What's up? I'm John, your AI appointment setter from AI2 Market. I keep your calendar packed with qualified leads, no chasing, no stress. I handle outreach, follow-ups, and scheduling, so you only talk to people who are ready to do business. My job? To make sure you never miss an opportunity. Let's book more calls and close more deals.
Wow, I love what John said. He said you only talk to people that are ready to do business with you. No unnecessary phone calls, no unnecessary appointments. You just deal with people that are real and are ready to do business with you. That's impressive. And I think your business needs something like that. Okay, let's move on. This is Zoe. Zoe is a database reactivation specialist. So let's listen to what Zoe has to say.
Hey, I'm Zoe, your AI database reactivation specialist from AI2 Market. I turn old, cold leads into hot opportunities consistently and automatically. With smart messaging, perfect timing, and personalized follow-ups, I've helped businesses recover thousands in lost revenue from contacts they thought were gone. Your database is a goldmine. I'm here to make sure it performs like one. Let's wake those leads up and get results.
So with Zoe, you never have cold leads. Cold leads is automatically converted into warm and warm into hot. That's the work of Zoe. Are you ready to scale your business by getting all those leads, all those cold leads converted into hot leads and eventually into paying customers? I think you should engage Zoe. Now, this essentially is talking about, you can see how it works, your AI voice agent in action. So what this does is that, several other CRM or AI voice agent provider, they tend to make you sign up on their website and they leave everything up to you. If your business scales, if it doesn't scale, it's not their business. They have already given you their website to use. But in the case of AI to market, they hold you by the hand and they walk you through the process until your business starts producing the result that is meant to produce, right? So step one is to train your AI agent for your business, right? Just like I mentioned earlier, that they're going to help you customize your AI agent to your business such that when your AI agent is communicating with your leads and your customer, it is saying exactly what you want it to say. And over time, it becomes smarter and more intelligent, able to say much more beyond what is being programmed for, right? And that is going to be in line with helping your business to grow. So that's one thing that makes AI to market have an edge over the other competitors. So step two is AI starts answering calls instantly. So once you call or any leads call into your business, it gets to hold the call immediately and start answering it, giving it real-time information as it is required, right? So step three is leads are handled and booked automatically. So it helps you book all the leads that are qualified for appointments, right? So it doesn't leave anyone unanswered to, right? The fourth thing is continuous learning and optimization. I mentioned this earlier. I said over time, the AI agent will be trained and it becomes smarter and more intelligent over time to handle your business the way you want it to handle. And something more, and in addition to the information I've given you so far, is the fact that apart from giving you this AI agent, they also have CRM, right? They're not just giving you AI agents. I know most of the AI agent providers over there, they only have the AI agent given to you and you customize it to your business or something like that. But this one has a CRM. So whatever information that the AI agent is getting from the leads or from the customer is not just throwing them out the window and you just know what to do. What it does is actually update your CRM on the go. As it gets the information from the leads, is updating your CRM. The phone number of the lead, the conversation is recorded, the appointment is booked. So the last thing here is that I'm going to show you the CRM. So look at the CRM over here. This is your dashboard when you sign into the CRM. So essentially you're going to have, I want to show you something here. Let me go to contact, for example. Let me come over here to contact. Now let me look for one contact here, forward. Okay, so we're going to take an example of a particular contact and then I will show you how their CRM works along with the agents. The agent is not just gathering information, he's keeping track of the information he gathers. So let's take, for example, Howard. Let's suppose Howard was one of your leads that tried to buy from you, maybe patronize you, maybe engage your service or something, and he reaches out to you via your campaign. Maybe you're running a campaign on Facebook, social media campaign, and then through that campaign, Howard was targeted, was reached, and he calls in, and then your AI agent answers the call, right? Once he answers the call, it's going to automatically show what happens here. Now, it's going to get the details of such a lead, right? It's going to get the first, the last name, the telephone number, and the email right here by your left, right? You can see Howard's name, email, Howard's telephone number, and it can go as well as getting the date of birth, the contact source, and the rest of them, right? So once that is recorded here, over here in the middle, here where I'm hovering my mouse, you will see that the conversation that the AI agent has with the lead to be recorded here in the middle, right? So, for example, the first contact with Howard, you can see the message that the AI agent sent. I told you in the introduction that it does not just talk, do a voice call. It also sends SMS. It sends email to your leads or to your customers. So you can see the first message that was sent to Howard. It said, "Our awesome meeting is about to start." This was after booking appointment. Over here, the appointment was booked. You can see calendar. It was booked inside the calendar. And then second thing here, after booking the appointment, he didn't just leave Howard alone. He still went ahead to follow up on Howard to actually remind Howard about the appointment that was booked. You can see our awesome meeting is about to kick off in just 5 minutes, reminding Howard of the appointment that was booked, right? And then you can see the appointment link here. and then go on. Then you can see you at 11 a.m. my friend, right? This is another message, right? He sends another reminder here. You can see there was a missed call, right? There was a missed call. He called out maybe after sending several messages, emails, and then Howard was not responding. He had to call, right? You can see this is something a human agent wouldn't be able to do effectively well, right? Or maybe due to busy schedule, you might not be able to actually do all of this, but the AI agent does all of this. Okay, so this for here. Then by your far right, you will see the history, the activities that took place. You can see who was gotten from the first thing over here. Who was gotten from social media. Just like I mentioned it earlier, social media campaign. You can see the campaign. Contacts created. You can see it here. Page visited. You can see it here. Social media. Form submitted. Social media, via social media. Page visited, social media, and you can see the history of what happened here, right? So there's several other things that you can do on this CRM, but it records every engagement with the leads right here on your CRM. So we can always come back here and check what happens, right? And over here you can see conversion. You can see a conversion rate here. You can see calendar. You can see opportunities and your agents and several other things. Automation. And then one thing that is very, very important that is key that I'd like to tell you about also is the fact that you can integrate other apps, other platforms into the CRM, right? Maybe you want, for example, if anything happens here, you wouldn't know until it is connected to your maybe your email, maybe your WhatsApp or something like that, or your any of your social media where you can easily get update or notification on the go, right? So this CRM allows you to integrate your social media with it so that you can get the update on the go, right? So that's it. It's just packed. It's packed with benefit. It's packed with several things that you don't think it's possible, right? So you can explore the site, you can explore the AI agents, you can do so much more. All right, so that's it. Wow, that's not just a smart agent. It is a revenue generating machine that works for you even when your team is sleeping. If you are still relying completely on humans to handle all calls, followers, and of course your CRM tracking in 2025, I'm sorry, you're behind. Because a lot of your competitors have taken advantage of this innovation to run ahead. Whether you're a CEO, manager, or solo entrepreneur, this isn't a luxury. It is survival. So here's what I recommend for you. Number one, go to AI to Market website. I'll link the link down below, right? Go there. Number two, try out a voice agent on the site. Number three, book a demo, right? Book an appointment to have a demo. And number four, see how your business can change. Are you ready? Okay, so go right there now. So if you found this video valuable, kindly like it, comment below, and share it with a fellow business owner who needs to hear this, because the future isn't coming, it is already here with us. So see you in the next video, and until then, work smarter, scale faster, and of course, let the AI do the talking for you. God bless you richly, and bye.